Hello, welcome to our channel. I'm Glenn, this is my brother Nick.
Hello.
Today we are heading to Brussels for the Cybertruck, which is in Europe on tour. They call it the Cyber Odyssey Tour.
But why are we heading for Brussels? We can go to the Netherlands as well.
Yeah, they are traveling also to the Netherlands. However, the days when they are in the Netherlands, I'm on holiday, so this is our only chance to take a look at the Cybertruck.
What are you the most excited about?
The size, I think, because it's really an American truck and we are really used to small cars like your car.
Yeah, sorry, I really have a small car, so everyone is bothering me with it, so I'm fine with it for now.
And you can park everywhere without any hassle.
It's true, but everybody is making jokes of it, but yeah.
But let's go to the Cybertruck.
Let's go. Well, we're here for a small coffee drink and now we're heading to Brussels, I think, and yeah, I'm looking forward to see it in real life. So I hope it's really shiny, as they say, with the stainless steel.
I hope the stainless steel is polished.
That's always the question. And is it really bulletproof? I don't think we can check that today.
Okay, we just arrived at the Tesla delivery center in Brussels. Anyway, we are here for the Cybertruck. I didn't see it yet.
I see a lot of guys in a Tesla shirt over there, so maybe we should ask them first.
They will know, for sure. So here it is, the Cybertruck.
Wow, what a machine.
It's big. I can imagine why this is not allowed on the European roads.
Look at the tires. It's
insane. It's insane.
Oh, nice. Look at the wiper.
So what do you think?
I like it. I really like it. Rough design, shiny metal. Yeah, it would be nice to drive this one, but I think we have to wait a bit longer for that if it even comes to Europe. So
maybe we can rent it in the USA when we go for a holiday or something. But
I'm very curious at the inside of it, but yeah, that's not possible today, unfortunately. But it's very nice to have a glimpse of this very special car. No, it's definitely bigger than the usual European car in this case. Even I think if you compare it to some 4x4 cars and like Toyota Land Cruiser or something like that, it's still pretty big in my opinion. So parking will definitely be a challenge if you have this car. So yeah, I really like the lights inside the trunk, etc. So
the lights are really nice, yes.
Yeah, very subtle, but also very good. So Glenn, what's your first impression of the Cybertruck?
It's so big. It's so big. I can imagine why it's not allowed on the roads here. Imagine to park it somewhere here.
But what do you think about the aesthetics, the looks of the car itself?
It's very unique. It's definitely one of its kind.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's the DeLorean from now.
I think it's a DeLorean on steroids because this car is insane. Also, if you see the specs, like how fast it can accelerate, I think even a very good sports car would have a hard time getting up with it. But,
yeah, the specs are insane, but the range was not the best.
yeah, there are also pros and cons on it,
But,
of course.
But range is not an issue in Europe. You don't need to drive 200 kilometers on daily basis.
Normally not. No, I agree with that.
If you can charge at home, it isn't an issue.
Charging is still something that might improve over time over here, but yeah, that's not the reason why you're here, of course. But do you think we will ever see this truck on the roads here in Europe?
I don't think so.
Like no import, but real, you can buy it.
No,
yeah.
I don't think it will be officially available.
Also, not a European version of it, but be honest, Tesla is not doing a European tour just to show how great their cars is. There must be a reason for it, of course, in my opinion, of course.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
but I don't know. I think it's for Tesla a better move to release a smaller car.
yeah, but will there be enough market for it? I know it's a huge seller in the US, but it's such a big country, and yeah, the European Union is always a bit different regarding cars than the US, of course. But you think there's a market for it?
For the Cybertruck?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, definitely people buy it. Just like the other expensive cars.
Must be possible.
There's always room for expensive cars, and special cars.
Absolutely.
Always. The Model X is also expensive and people are driving it, so why not Cybertruck?
True, and it's a kind of a special car, so there are definitely people that like to have it. So maybe we will see some import versions over here, and I don't know if the rules will be applied to it, but yeah.
We will see. We see.
That will tell us.
Yes.
But for now, we have seen a glimpse of it. It was a bit short, wasn't it? It was.
Yeah, you were allowed to go in a small group with a maximum of 30 persons at the same time for like 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, it was really a glimpse of it, but yeah, still.
We were not able to touch it, to sit inside it, but
yeah,
I'm glad I've seen it in person.
It was just like a museum piece. You couldn't not allowed to touch it or even get close to it, and
it's weird.
Yeah.
I've never done that with a car, and I'm not even buying one.
No. But it's nice to see, isn't it? So, yeah.
Indeed. Okay, so that's it. And,
time to heading back to the Netherlands, I think. So
yes.
yeah.
Okay. Thanks and see you. Bye.
Bye.